2017 Toyota Highlander. Similarly as with most Toyotas, the Highlander is anything but difficult to get settled with. There's a fits everybody seating position, catches where you hope to discover them, and expansive, sensibly laid out controls. There's adequate space for 6, and you can press 7. In the XLE, our own was arranged, with 2 basins in the second line, and the center seats tip and slide effortless for A's get to. I pulled 4 5th graders on a field trip and everybody fit without dissension, without protest about the Highlander. In any case, I truly didn't appreciate driving it. However, compared to the last Highlander I drove, this one felt underpowered and drowsy in spite of having more power and torque on paper. The transmission changed dreadfully much of the time, and would just keep up 8th gear going downhill on the road. The smallest throttle application kicked it down. I don't know whether it's been tuned for hyper economy for sure, however it just appeared like I needed to keep my foot somewhere down in the throttle the whole time to get any important increasing speed. Game mode wasn't much better. It's a top-notch family bundle. However, Toyota needs to retune the motor/transmission for snappier reaction on the off chance that it needs to contend with the Explorer, CX-9 and other 3-push utilities. Andrew's toy, computerized proofreader.